How many ways can you say bad in English? Let's learn some stronger words from this scene.
Excellent. Really excellent. Ah, come to see the show.
You foul, loathsome, evil little cockroach!
Hermione, no.
Foul, loathsome, evil, cockroach. Foul, meaning very unpleasant or disgusting. Trash is foul.
It was horrible.
Loathsome, extremely unpleasant, worthy of hate. Pollution is unpleasant. We hate pollution.
Expecto Patronum!
Evil, morally very bad. A ghost is evil.
You shall be dead.
Cockroach, a creative insult comparing someone to a pesky insect.
Quiz time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Come up with 3 words meaning bad as the clip plays, then post them in the comments.
Who's here? Ah, come to see the show.
You
Blimey, Harry, didn't you ever wonder where your mum and dad learned it all?
learnt what?
You're a wizard, Harry.
Now use any 3 words in a sentence and post it in the comments. Post a movie you would like to see next.